Hello everyone, welcome to the Gurukul's CAT 100 Study Room to Boardroom series. I am Krishna Chaitanya and this is Crack the Logic with KC. Over the next 100 days, you will be solving one hand-picked LRDI set every single day, a mix of basic to advanced questions which cover all the concepts required for CAT. We are also uploading quant and verbal videos as a part of this series. Make sure you watch all the 3 playlists for a complete preparation. To practice under exam pressure, all the sets we are discussing over here across all the sections are available in our website for completely free of cost. Just sign up to www.thegurukul.org.in and you can find a course called 100 Days Race to CAT. And all the sets over here are completely free for you to practice. Remember, CAT exam isn't about how perfect you are, it is about how consistent you are in your preparation. So let's not waste time and quickly jump into the video. So today we'll be solving one more LRDI problem, and before we move on, as usual, pause the video, try to solve the problem, and then we'll discuss what is happening in this set. Chalo, let's see what is happening in the set. 6 contests, cooking, fancy dress, carom, table tennis, singing and dancing were held in Adarsh Cooperative Housing Society during their annual cultural festival. Each person took part in at most 2 contests, A, B, C, D, E, F. Denote the contests in some order. So all those contests, they kept some nicknames and they are A, B, C, D, E, F. We don't know which one is for which. The table gives the number of participants in the 6 contests. The number of persons participating in carom as well as the cooking was twice the number of participants participating in table tennis as well as dance, but was 1/3 the number of participants in the carom and table tennis. Let's write the combinations first of all. Carom as well as cooking is equal to something. Number of participants in table tennis plus dance. And third combination is carom plus table tennis. Now how do we write this? If I start with the last one, carom plus table tennis is, let us say 3x people are there. Then carom plus cooking is 1/3. So this should be x. Was twice the number of people participating. So this should be x by 2. Now pause the video, verify one more time. If you tell me everything is clear, then we'll go for the next one. Very good. Next statement. The number of participants in singing as well as cooking. So singing plus cooking is twice the number of people of fancy dress plus singing. 2 less than the participants of carom plus table tennis. Now I already know carom plus table tennis is 3x. 2 less than carom plus table tennis, who? Cooking and singing. This is equal to 3x minus 2. And fancy dress singing is twice that of. So 3x minus 2 by 2 will come over here. Clear? These are the details we have. Perfect. So from these details, using the table, what can we do? If you observe, this value is equal to 3x. Now, in the given numbers, what can be the 3x multiple? D and D combination, this is 6. That can be 3x. Or this is 12, D and B combination, possible. A and A, 12, possible. F and E, 18, possible. These are the 3 numbers. Clear till this part? Okay. Now, I can have 3x equal to 12 or 6 or 18. If I take 3x equal to 6, x will be equal to 2. In that case, 3 into 2, which 2 if I keep it over here, 3 into 2 minus 2, that will be one possibility. But the problem over here is, this 6 is associated for D and D only. That is not 2 different combinations, that is one thing only. But the 3x is the combination of carom plus table tennis. So 6 is completely ruled out. 6 is not there in the story. So 3x can be equal to 12 or 3x can be equal to 18. Then x will be equal to 4 or x will be equal to 6. Okay, if x equal to 6, x by 2 is equal to 2 or x by 2 is equal to 3. Perfect. Next, 3x minus 2, that is 3x which is equal to 12 minus 2 will be equal to 10. I have 10 over here, this can be possible. 3x minus 2 which is 18 minus 2 which is equal to 16. But 16 is not there in the table anywhere. So this is not at all possible. So 3x not equal to 18, 3x should be equal to 12. If 3x equal to 12, x is equal to 4, x by 2 equal to 2. And 3x minus 2 will be equal to 10, 3x minus 2 by 2 will be equal to 5. These are the different values we are having. Now let us check it over here. Now I am having, let us erase everything. Now look carefully over here. 3x, that is carom plus table tennis, equal to 12. 12 is over here. So this combination should be 12. So D plus B can be equal to 12 or B plus D can be equal to 12. What is this? Carom plus table tennis. Caroms can be D or table tennis can be D. Now let's look at this 4. Carom plus cooking equal to 4. Where is 4? 4 is over here. B plus A. So if you write it over here, carom plus cooking is equal to 4, B plus A equal to 4 or A plus B equal to 4. In these two cases, carom is associated for B. So we are finally fixing up B is equal to carom. If B equal to carom, can I say D will be equal to table tennis? Okay. Then cooking should be equal to A. That is also okay. If cooking is equal to A, cooking plus singing is 10. A plus singing, where is that singing? This C. So C should be singing. Okay. So we have C singing is done. D and F are left out. Where can I place them? Singing plus fancy dress is equal to 5. 5 is over here. I know singing is C. So F should be definitely fancy dress only. And then we are left out with only one thing, that should be dancing. So dancing will come here. Chalo, let's look at the questions. So there are 4 questions over here. Now pause the video and I want you to mark these 4 questions. This one thing which you need to understand is, how do I read this type of table when it is coming in the exam? The tables need not be always direct. There will be a lot of things mixed over there. You need to understand how do we mark that. Okay, clear? Perfect. So with this we'll end the video over here. Along with your answers in the comment section, I also want you to type down how much time you took to solve this question. Perfect. See you in the next video, guys. Take care. Hope you enjoyed learning from today's session.
This series is designed to help you with your CAT preparation and practice daily. We are with you in this journey.
To watch the next video, click here. And to watch Gurukul's CAT 100 series, study room to boardroom, the entire playlist, click here.
If you learned from today's session, like, share and subscribe.